What are the key factors that can affect the timeline of a stucco installation project?
Right away, I would say rain, because that is the prevalent thing happening here in the Denver metro area. So rain can affect certain stages of the stucco system. Weather of other types can affect, like extreme cold and things like that, can affect certain stages of the stucco system. So those can extend the amount of time that it takes for us to finish the project, because there might be lost days. And I guess I would say that unknown aspects can also affect the timeline. So if we arrive there and there's more damage than we thought there was, that can also affect the timeline. Other trades can also affect the timeline. So if other people, deck companies, window companies, have to come in and get their work done, that can also cause us to have to stop and start on a project.